What's up guys, it's Tuna the Lion Big Bird. Now we're talking.
Ali.
Okay, I'm thinking about making some cookies for the entire gang. Maybe some chocolate chip cookies, would you?
Yo, what's up, Coral? What are you up to?
Oh, hi, Joza. I'm going to the store to get cookie dough.
Oh, okay. Can I come?
Sure. I'll get Olu to come with us too.
So are we going to Walmart or something?
Yeah, Olu. Let's go.
So what are we getting, Coral?
We are getting cookie dough from Walmart.
Wait, what happened to the rest of the dough?
Let's just say that Ava the White Tiger's fat ass decided to eat all of it in her ice cream, and I kicked her ass for that.
Well damn, I know she likes sweets, but why the whole thing? It was the last pack. She's greedy.
She's a sweet tooth, Alu. She's a sweet tooth.
Okay, where's the cookie dough? Cookie dough. Cookie dough. Cookie dough. Damn it. I can't find it anywhere. Hey, looking for this, you say? Huh? Thanks, but who are you? My name is Animona Cockapoo. I recently suddenly saw you across the street by that big house of yours. Oh, hi. I'm Coral the Sea Pup. Thanks for all the spare cookie dough containers. But hey, wanted to hang out some hour? Sure. I hope to see you soon there.
Coral the Sea Pup. Where are you going?
Hi, Joza. I'm currently going to see Animal the Cockapoo. She's across the street from us.
Across street, neighbor? Oh wow, that's a big ass house. Okay, we can go there.
I wonder who's at the door? Oh, hi there, neighbors.
Oh, hi. My name is Coral the Sea Pup. And this is my friends Joza and Olu.
Yo, what's up, girl?
Hi there.
So, is Animal the Cockapoo here by any chance?
Oh, she isn't here yet. Name is Kujenga the Eagle, but you can come inside if you want to.
Oh, okay.
Behold, welcome to my house.
Holy cow, this living room looks fantastic. Living in luxury.
I'm not expecting a very luxurious interior. So beautiful.
Yeah. I have this house since last year. It was worth it and wonderful.
We should definitely go exploring her house, Alu.
That sounds great, Joza.
Jesus Christ. Where's Animal the Cockapoo? She hasn't been coming at all. I think she might have lived somewhere else. Man, I wish she would come by now. Okay, since I got a new Lexus, I'm now finally going to make lots of cookies in the kitchen. Holy cow, Coral the Sea Pup. I'm so happy to see you. And Mona, where were you? I thought you were at another place. Your evil friend Kujenga let me and my friends in. Oh. Coral, this is my house. And I recently moved in with Joza Gang and got a new Lexus LX. A new LX? Damn! I have a Nissan Patrol Nismo if you were wondering. That's really cool, girl. So say, wanted to make cookies with me? I got more of the cookie dough containers. Hey, that will be great to do. Alrighty, let's go to the kitchen and make some cookies. Alright, Coral, let's go ahead and get the cookie dough ready to go on this pan. Right on that there, Anamona. I got the dough right here. Okay, now we wait for all the cookies to be done.
I see that this is your bedroom. There is lots of stuff here.
Yeah. I have those things for many years now.
It's so delightful to see them. I wonder what that sweet smell coming from the kitchen.
Hey guys, are those cookies?
Oh yeah, all the cookies are finally done, and they are ready to eat.
They look so delicious. I'll make some homemade hot chocolate and sweet tea.
Best cookies ever tasted. You can say that again, Anamona.
Man, I did so good on this hot chocolate.
This tea is so buzzing.
Well, Coral the Sea Pup, I'm glad to have you as a great neighbor and friend. I do too. So say, Anamona, if we hang out again, want to kick Ava's ass sometime? Oh yeah, sure. I heard she likes getting that butt kick all the time.
Well, Kujenga, I'm glad to see you today. We should definitely hang out some more. Who's at your door?
You can get the door for me.
Oh hi. What's your name?
My name is Lucina. I live here.
Oh. I see, glad to see you.
Okay, just let me inches.
Well, Kujenga, do you want my contact information?
Why yes, my neighbor, we should definitely be best friends with each other.